In this activity, we have been tasked to prepare financial statement for a corporate merchandising firm. And I already encoded this data, the financial statement, and the format. And since I don't have a proper view of the accounts, and I am only using the mobile app, and instead of scrolling up and down, I listed all the accounts and to which cell it belongs. And let's start. And for uh, the sales, we have to put equal sign and find the sales here, and click, and the amount will automatically show up. Less the sales discount, and the sales discount can be found in G29, and we have the amount, and it will automatically show up. And we have to deduct these two. We have to put equal sign and minus this cell, and I have the amount. And for the next is the cost of goods sold. The beginning in merchandise inventory can be found in G17, and the purchases can be found in G20, and the amount will automatically show up, less the purchase discount, which can be found in G20, I mean 21, and we have to deduct it from the purchases, and we have the amount minus, and now the goods available per sale, we have to total this one, it's the sum, or drag this one, and we now have to wait, clear this first, equal the sum of these two, and the amount will automatically calculated, less the ending inventory, which can be found in G18, and the cost of goods sold will be $326,675, and our gross profit will be the sum of these two, and we have to put a function sum and add these two, and we have the profit of 1,038,675. And for the operating expense, the selling expenses can be found, or the advertising expenses can be found in G10, and the depreciation to G13 equals G13, the insurance G16, the rent can be found in G23, and the salaries in the G26, and the store supplies in the G32, and the total selling expenses, we just have to put a function sum and drag the accounts or the amounts, and we can obtain the amount. And for the general expense, the insurance expense can be found in G15, and the salaries expense will be in G25. And the total will be put of functions and drag these two, and the amount will showed up, will automatically calculated. And the total of these two, and the total operating expense the rent expense, this is wrong, G22, G22 and G25, and the total general expense will be sum and drag the three accounts, and we obtain the amount. The total general expenses, we just have to put a function sum and drag these two, sum and we can obtain the amount. And for the net income, we just have to deduct the gross profit from the total expenses. And the total expenses will be, the total net income is 856,422, and that is the net income in the month of May. And now let's move to the retained earnings. The account is net income. The net income, you have to copy the net income in the G70, and the dividend wait, we still have a beginning balance. A beginning balance which can be found in G24. And the net income and the dividends can be found in G14. And the change in equity will be the sum of this of these two amounts. And the ending balance let's move to the next month. So in here, I already done the formula. So you just bear in mind that you just have to put the cell or what the cell accounts belongs to, or where you can find the cell in here. So and if you want to sum up or calculate the amount, you just have to execute a functions by putting equal sign and choose the functions you want. Just like here, if you want to sum that up, if you want to sum it up, you just have to put equal sign, then sum, then choose the cell you want to calculate. And in the balance sheet, the same process goes in here. So that is how are you going to do a function, or how and input the data into the Excel.